Hey guys, so today we're going to do a super quick tutorial on a two-handed isolation. Let me show you what that is. Here we go. Woo! All right, okay. So what you're going to do first of all, imagine that your hula hoop is a clock, and this is obviously 6 o'clock. You've got 12 o'clock. Now this is 9 o'clock for me, but it might be the opposite for you. And then we've got 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock? We've got 3 o'clock. You're going to pop your hand at the bottom of the hoop, and your arm's going to be nice and long and close to your body, so not far away, because you're going to end up straining yourself. So from this position here, your knuckles are facing the sky, and you are going to push your hand up to 9 o'clock. Now, when you're doing this, you want to kind of focus on the top of your hoop and make sure that it's not like moving up and down. So if you fix your gaze on the top of your hoop and something in the distance, like on the ceiling, or there's like a mark on the ceiling or something, you can kind of focus it on that. So my hand, I'm going to drive it up to 9 o'clock. And this is kind of like the center here. We're going to push up to 9 o'clock. And then we're going to go all the way up to 12 o'clock. You might need to move your body as you're doing this. Don't just stay on the spot, okay? Then from here, what you're going to do, you're going to take your other hand. So this is my left hand. I'm going to then place it together. So my little fingers are kind of like touching each other here. And then I'm going to twist my body. I put my thumb underneath my hoop for a bit of kind of more like support. And I'm going to push it back down to 3 o'clock. And then to 6 o'clock. And then we switch again. So here we've got our thumbs together. So we're going again. We go up to 9 o'clock. And then as we get to 12 o'clock, we switch hands, and then we come on back down. Now you can do that in both directions, so you have a play with that and see how you get on. But the key is to kind of keep your hands nice and close to your body, move your body, go nice and slow. Don't have to rush these things at all, even though I'm rushing speaking to you guys because I want to get the information to you. But go nice and slow. Remember to look at the top of your hoop. There we go. Switch those hands, and then as you come back down, your hand's going to end up back at your hips. All right, guys, that was like the quickest tutorial in the world. Anyway, I hope that helps you if you are after learning some hoop tricks, and I will see you again soon. I'm going to do the one-handed isolation, which will be super fun. All right, bye, guys.